One of the sexiest things in bowling is hooking the entire lane. I'm here with Team USA member Brandon Bonta.
What's up?
We are playing a challenge where we have to play inside of the fifth arrow. You want to go first or second?
I'll go first.
They never go first. They always want me to go first.
No,
He's
I'll
a
go
professional
first.
though. He's on Team USA.
I got it.
He's gonna apply the pressure. Shmoney!
Dirty dog. Just give me that to start off with. One time. We didn't shoot any spares when we warmed up, so
Good luck.
Jesus take the wheel.
I don't even have a spare ball with me. What do you think the score is going to be for this match?
We'll find out after three
Probably
frames.
11 less after you miss this. Oh no. Oh, you make them every time. You're a professional.
I'd like to thank Wichita State for making me shoot 4,000 spares a week.
That was such a bad shot. That was so bad. I tried to make sure I lofted it and make sure I got it at the bottom.
Real question is the spare. We are on the house shot, so
We're on the China. I'm going to give it a baby hook for sure.
no!
Not enough of a baby hook. I'm not surprised at all that I missed that. Golly. Throw it straight.
Wow. Advantage, Brandon.
That's what I get for talking smack on his spare game. I should have brought my spare ball. I'm an idiot. Welcome to our 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. 12 videos, 12 days, and each day the prize is going to get a little bit bigger than the last. And get all the way to our largest prize on day 12, Christmas, where we'll be giving away a bowling ball and a membership to howtobowl.com, which is over a $500 value. This is going to be day one. We are giving away a signed player's card from me to one of you lucky winners out there. All you got to do is click that link down below in the description and stay tuned every single day, because each day the prize is going to get a little bit bigger than the last.
Little extra grab on the bottom there.
The trip, I gave it the mega grab. I mean, at least you tripped the 4-pin. Amy. Clean your balls, ladies and gentlemen. Wipe them off every shot. It's a no-doubter right there.
Easy peasy.
Time to strike.
I was just still waiting for it to hook.
I don't know if it's going to. The first one hooked. I'm trying to send it out left, but if I send it too far left, then it doesn't hook at all. I gotta make this. This is a tough spare. I was trying to go Brooklyn.
It just stayed out there. I thought I had another opening.
I had no idea. I need to figure it out quick, too.
Come on.
I'm not mad about it.
Come on.
Yeah, that was a really good shot.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Just keep making good ones, all right?
Shaking my head.
3 great shots and 3 9 counts. What a bummer.
Stand up and fight.
Aye. Can I make this spare? I don't know.
We're about to find out.
I thought that would sit there and I didn't think it would hook again. Yeah, a horrible ball choice, but I only brought 1 ball. I need a quicker bowling ball that actually gets through that front part of the lane, and when it gets to the left, it actually snaps and recovers. That's how I should have shot the 3-6-10. Aye. Okay, so you said 3 frames in, you were gonna give us what's the score gonna be of the game?
If I keep hitting the pocket, I can at least shoot 2 teams.
You can shoot 2
Feel
team?
like it? I have to get a double in there somehow, right?
I got a feeling that I'm gonna string some lucky ones. Oh. You definitely have some better ball motion than me.
That one was not well executed. But only 2 pins, so we're fine.
I'm not really used to playing in this territory.
Yeah, you're getting a nosebleed?
No nosebleeds yet. We're definitely closing in. We're definitely in nosebleed territory, but I put some Vaseline in there this morning, so. Shooter. Okay, how do I get it to hook the right way?
Real. When you throw it that bad, you're not supposed to strike, so it's okay. And also, he's making excuses. I only brought 1 ball as well.
I'm throwing a 3-bagger. Oh! God, that was close though. I had 8 balls in my car, and because I'm going on a trip this weekend, I brought them all into the garage, reorganized them, and brought 2 balls to this film sesh. The other one is for the other video. I can't use it in this video, so.
We just wanted to make it more of a challenge.
I really, really wanted to challenge myself. Still nervous on the spares.
Got a strike at one point.
The good news is, if Brandon beats us in both of these challenges, he's gonna win a crisp $100 bill to his Venmo, so it won't be crisp, it'll be digital.
Oh, that got a hook a lot.
Made him nervous. We're back in this thing.
Real right.
We're back in this thing. I'm feeling confident.
Probably should have reset. Who says we won't make the spare? It's not good.
You always shoot that one like that?
Yeah, maybe give it a little cutter.
But I think when there's double wood in the back, it's really hard to get that back pin.
You shoot it from the side, like?
I would just shoot a regular washout, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, usually when you see pros playing lanes like this, the lanes are usually like absolutely on fire. So they need to be over there, and there's a mile of hook to the inside of the lane where they're throwing their balls. Right now for us, there's a lot of oil in the middle of the lane, so these scores are going to be extremely low in comparison to like when you see EJ or Simo or Velmo doing this. They need to do this, that's what the lane's asking, so they're shooting like 230s, 40s, and 50s. We're not doing what the lane is asking us to. We're doing the opposite.
All right, I got a match.
For some reason, all of my good shots, I end up doing this with my hand. Gotcha.
He got me. I'm down.
Is that just me? All my good shots, I like pinch my index and thumb together.
Really?
No, I actually do. I don't know why. Wheel. Oh!
In front of it again.
You said if you keep hitting the pocket, you can probably shoot a 210.
And then I missed the pocket twice.
You're running out of time. You got 220 left if you make the spare. That's plenty of time. Yeah, what are you trying to do with your hand to get that ball to actually hook that much? Are you like rolling it or getting around the side?
Oh, I'm getting around it a lot. Plus like 200% grab right now, as much as I possibly can.
Two-handers don't really have the grab, so for me it's more just like 200% up hit. Not being very smooth.
That was pretty good again. Oh no, he's dialed.
You see the fingers? You see the fingers? It's like that every time.
He's dialed. I better move. We need one.
I moved about like 5 left. Ooh. Ooh. Hoo, hoo.
Come on. Come on.
Got
Just hit it
ourselves a
harder.
little game on our hands.
Hit it harder. Go hook.
That's all you got to do, just hit it hard.
Yes.
If you were to say that there was one guy, if it gets to a loft contest, you do not want to bowl against them.
I mean, like, you always see Belmo lofting it, right? Like, you don't want to bowl him, like, most of the time. So, I don't know. Chris Prather's pretty good at lofting it.
Right there is pretty good.
He's pretty nasty with it.
He's got that gross like hand thing he does when he starts
yeah.
lofting it, and then he drops the speed to about 13 miles an hour.
And it
you
hooks
just-
from everywhere.
And you just wonder how it strikes, but it always strikes.
Exactly.
Push.
Oh, it's a little in. Forgot we're going on the China. No, what?
Remember that speech I gave about how we're not playing the lanes the way you're supposed to? Maybe I've been doing it wrong on the house shot all the time. You can catch me Tuesday Night League ruining the lanes game 1. Oh,
Not backing down. Come on.
it's as if we didn't practice for 20 minutes, even though we did.
Well, obviously the 20-minute practice session did it.
Should have been 25, I guess.
Ooh, it's a little
Hook.
right. It's a little
Hook.
right.
Ah! Yeah, I knew it. I knew that was bad. I don't know if I stood in the wrong spot. I think I did. Uh-oh. It's hard. Once you get over there, you're just counting a lot of boards, so I just kind of go whatever feels right to me. That was obviously not right. I gotta tell you, I saw Dio Bernard. He shot a 3.7, right? For all you righties out there, he shot a 210. He hit the 3 and the 7 with the ball. And I asked him, I said, dude, like, I saw you throw a backup ball. Like, did you touch both of them, or like, did I just not see it right? And he was like, no, I touched both of them. But he threw his own ball. He drilled himself a 6-pound ball and brought it with him. Crazy.
Wheel.
Oh my God, we got a game on our hands.
Come on.
We got a game on our hands.
Come on.
I got 221 left, you got 220 left.
That guy said spot again.
I thought that was so close. Just gonna have to make it. I mean, either way, I'm not out of it. I would have loved that to be a make. How did I strike 3 times in a row?
No one knows.
Uh-oh, we might got 0. Or 3.
All right, I'll take the count, I guess.
Thought you got 0. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I knew it would like not hook at some point in the middle lane. All right, if you guys want to help us pay Brandon this $100 bills, you can go check out our merch on thehousebowling.com. We got some new designs, we got some Christmas designs, and with this 12 days of Christmas, we do have a Christmas giveaway. So don't be afraid to click that link down below for the giveaway or for the merch. Zaddy, oh boy. Wow.
Big wheel. Big wheel right there.
I was really hoping that 710. Listen, when you got it, you got it.
Exactly.
I clearly don't got it. Wheel and deal. The fact that you've done that twice.
You're balling.
1 down and 1 to go for that $100 bill. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you tuning in to us play the lanes completely wrong and hook the entire lane playing right at 5th arrow on the Fresh House Shot. Brandon took home the championship, and we'll catch him on tomorrow's video where we'll be doing some budget bowling on a $250 budget, see what balls, what shoes we have, and hopefully if he goes 2 for 2, he's taking that $100 bill home. So we will catch him on tomorrow's video, and maybe we'll catch you too. Until the next one, peace.